Chicken with olives and peppers is a Mediterranean dish that combines robust flavours and vibrant colours, much appreciated in Italy. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: 4 chicken thighs, or chicken breast if you prefer, 2 peppers, yellow and red for a colourful dish, 150 grams of pitted green olives, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 200 ml of chicken broth or water, 1 sprig of rosemary, salt and pepper to taste, optional, a pinch of chili pepper or paprika for a spicy touch. Preparation: begin by cleaning the peppers, removing the seeds and inner filaments, then cut them into strips. Also clean the onion and slice it thinly. Finally chop the garlic. In a large saucepan, heat the extra virgin olive oil and sauté the onion and garlic until they become translucent. Add the chicken thighs, or breast pieces, and brown well on all sides. Season with salt and pepper. Once the chicken is well browned, add the strips of peppers and the olives. If you like a stronger taste, you can add a pinch of chili pepper or paprika. Pour in the chicken broth or water, just enough to barely cover the ingredients. Add the sprig of rosemary and let it simmer with the lid on for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the chicken is tender and fully cooked. Check occasionally that the liquid does not dry out too much. If necessary, add a bit of water. At the end of cooking, if you wish for a thicker sauce, you can remove the lid and increase the heat to reduce the sauce. Make sure to adjust the salt and pepper before serving. This dish is delicious if served with a side of baked potatoes or a fresh green salad. Moreover, to stay with the Italian theme, I would recommend accompanying it with a glass of full-bodied red wine, like a Chianti or an Aglianico, which pair well with the rustic flavours of the chicken, olives and peppers. Curiosity: Italians appreciate chicken with olives and peppers for its ease of preparation and for its flavour that reminds them of home cooking. It is often a dish prepared in large quantities for family gatherings or holidays, being easily reheatable and maintaining its taste qualities.